Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you 7 tips in making a face mask without a sewing machine. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Number 1 is using the hem part of old clothes for filter pockets. Using the hem part of the shirt will save time when you're doing a face mask with filter pocket. Number 2 is by using disposable mask as a pattern. Just fold the face mask and then stretch it. Number 3 is by using fork for the pleats. Four is using closest color of the thread to the fabric. Because we are hand sewing, using the closest color thread to your fabric will hide the imperfection of your stitches. Number 5 is by using plait as a pattern. Number 6 is by using invisible stitch. Then lastly is by using the cord wire tie as a nose wire. I hope this video helped as much as it helped me doing a face mask without a sewing machine. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!